This video will cover how to edit the beauty template and create your own custom look. I will be using some prepared textures, but hopefully this will give you an idea for what kind of textures you will need. Starting from the top, we have a quote node with a quote material that you can select and see the currently selected lookup table. We have a prepared different lookup table that I will now drag into the textures resource folder. It's important to select no bitmaps when importing lookup tables. We can now just click import and select this new lookup table from the dropdown, and it will be immediately visible in the preview. We can also delete the old lookup table to save up space and to keep our directories neater. Moving down, there's a beauty node. This node has a blend shape, which will affect the width of the jaw and the overall face shape. So sliding it further to a larger number will make the jaw more narrow, and lower will make it wider. So we can set a different value here as we want to. Further down, we have the actual makeup. This will all be done by textures. There is the eyeshadow texture, and here we have a different eyeshadow texture that we can drag in. This doesn't require any special import settings, and you can just select it from the drop-down and delete the old texture. Same thing for eyelashes. I have once again a prepared texture. And delete the old one. And the same thing for lips. Now that we have cleaned up our folders, we can check if we like our new effect, and this is a new look.